Billy with that.
Fuck yeah. Why you just let go?
Because I don't have the concept yet. I should be okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
This shit happens, man, but that's funny.
That's not fun.
There, I gotta tell you.
No, it's embarrassing. That fucking GoPro. Let me see this thing. Is this fucking thing on still?
Yeah.
How do I go back and see this?
Here, I'll show you.